the previous class, we had discussed about the germline layers as a classification criteria, right? So in this class, now we shall discuss the body cavity. Here, the body cavity is nothing but a gap-like structure or a gaps or a cavity that is present between the mesoderm and the layer that is surrounded by a mesoderm, right? So, if the mesoderm possesses a cavity, then that is a criteria, that is whether it is present or absent. So, based on the in general, the body cavity that is called a coelom. So, note down the coelom is nothing but the body cavity that is present in between the layers and the mesoderm, right? The outer layer and that is in the region of mesoderm. If there is a cavity, then that is called a coelom. So, based on the presence or absence of the body cavity, these animals are classified into three types. The first one, that is the acoelomates. So here, as the name suggests, the coelomates are nothing but the organisms which possesses the coelom, right? So here, the acoelomate is referred to as the organisms which lack the coelom layer. That is, A refers to absence, right? So here, if the body cavity is absent, then that is called acoelomate. And examples for such kind of acoelomate organisms are the flatworms. Flatworms such as the liver fluke or the tapeworm. All this belongs to the phylum Platyhelminthes. So that is the acoelomates, where you don't find any cavity in the mesoderm region. As usual, here you find the inner endoderm, middle mesoderm and the outer ectoderm. There is no cavity, right? So, contrasting to that, you find a cavity in the region of mesoderm. That is called a coelomate animal, right? So, if the cavity is present, that is, if the coelom is present in the region of mesoderm, then such animals are called coelomates. So, examples for coelomates are the chordates or the annelids, mollusks, arthropods, echinodermids, etc. All these are the invertebrates. Chordates, hemichordates are the vertebrates. So, annelids, the earthworm phyla, the mollusks, that is the snail phyla, the arthropods, they are the insects. Echinodermids, they are the starfish or sea urchin or any of the marine, such kind of marine organisms, right? So they belong to echinodermids, which will be dealt in detail in the next classes. So here, this coelomates are the annelids, mollusks, arthropods or the echinodermids, and even the chordates as well as the hemichordates. So just remember all these examples for coelomates, right? So here you find a distinct cavity at the region of mesoderm, hence the name the coelom, right? Sorry, the coelomates, that is the coelom is the cavity, right? Now there is an intermediate between the coelomates and acoelomates, wherein you find the mesoderm as such, it is formed in the form of circular patches, right? So if that is the case, then that is called a pseudo-coelomates. Such organisms are called pseudo-coelomates, and that mesoderm in the form of patches, that is called the pseudo-coelom, right? So here in the cavity or in the mesoderm region, instead of the cavity, you find as the mesoderm itself modified into a patches. Such kind of patches are called the pseudo-coelom, or the such one that is called the pseudo-coelom, and organisms which possesses pseudo-coeloms, they are called pseudo-coelomates. So here the examples for such kind of pseudo-coelomates are the Aspergillus phylum, that is the round ones. Right? For example, Ascaris. Ascaris is an parasitic roundworm which is found in our intestine and stomach, right? So that is an example for such kind of pseudo-coelomates. Now, the next criteria, right? So the first criteria, that is the line of or the organization, level of organization. The second one, that is the germline layers. The third, that is the body cavity, and the fourth, that is the segmentation, right? Here, in case of the segmentation, we find that some of the organisms, such as the annelids or the earthworms, where you find a distinct serially repetition of the body, right? So that repetition of the body is called a segment. So each repetition of their body parts, or at least for some organs, that is called a segment, right? So example for segmented organ animals, that is, for example, that is annelids. And here the phenomenon of the segmentation, that is called, very important for your exam point of view, that is metamerism. So remember, metamerism is the phenomenon of segmentation that occurs in the animals, especially the annelids or the different types of, mostly they are found in earthworm, right? So annelids, where the body parts or the body organs, they are in the form of repeated sections, right? So that is called a segment, and the phenomenon is called metamerism. So remember, that is a very important point for your exams. So this is the fifth criteria. Like the first is the level of organization, the second was symmetry, the third was germline layer, the fourth, that is the body cavity, the fifth, that is the segmentation, and the last one, that is the notochord. Here the notochord is nothing but a hard bone-like structures that is present during the embryonic stage. That is present during the embryonic stage, and if it develops further as an adult, then such kind of organisms are called the chordates. So this is the basic differences between the chordates and non-chordates, that is the presence of or the absence of notochord. So that is one of the criteria. So this is an hardy bone-like structure that is present lying in the mesoderm, or that is originated from the mesoderm, and if it is present even beyond the embryonic stages, then such kind of organisms, they are called chordates, and if it is absent, then they are called the non-chordates. Understood? That is, non-chordates are nothing but these are the organisms which lack the notochord at their adult stages. So here the first 8 phyla that belongs to non-chordates, and the rest of the phyla that belongs to chordates, right, out of 11. Now that ends the classification of animals, right? So based on the different criteria. As I discussed now, let us recall, the first is the level of organization, wherein you have the cellular type, the tissue level, and the organ level or the organ system. The 4 types, that is cellular, tissue, organ, and organ system. And then based on the symmetry, we have asymmetric and symmetric, wherein you have symmetric type, you have the bilateral symmetry and radial symmetry. And then the third one is the presence or absence of cavity of the coelom, under which we have three types: coelomates, pseudocoelomates and acoelomates. Right? And the last one, that is the next one, that is the segmentation, out of which we have, that is the mostly they are present in the annulates. And then the last one, that is the notochord, that is we have either the chordates or non-chordates. Right? So that is the different criteria for classification of animals. So based on the evolutionary pattern, you have 11 phyla, which will be dealt in the upcoming classes. So if you have any doubts in these topics, you can discuss. Right? So if you have any doubts, please clarify. Thank you.